All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm so excited for this deep dive.
Me too.
I've been hearing so much about this all over the place. And
Yeah.
it's like one of those things where I feel like it came out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
So today we are talking about Kling AI.
Kling AI, yes.
And this is a new tool, and it's an AI tool, and it helps you create video.
Well, videos. Yeah.
So we have this document here that describes everything about it.
Yeah.
And so let's just jump right into it.
Sounds good.
So what is this? What is Kling AI?
Kling AI is a new platform for creating videos using artificial intelligence.
Okay.
And it's really interesting because it comes from this company called Kuaishou Technology.
Kuaishou Technology.
Kuaishou Technology.
I don't know if you've even heard of them.
You probably haven't. They're a Chinese tech giant, but they're not as well known in the West.
And now they're leading the charge in this new AI video generation.
Exactly. They've been making big waves in the AI world, and this is their latest innovation.
So what can Kling AI actually do? Like, what are its capabilities?
Well, it has kind of three main functions that you would expect.
Okay.
So you have text to video, where you can literally just type in a description of what you want to see, and it will create a video for you.
Wow.
You have image to video, where you can upload a still image, and it will animate it.
Oh, that's cool.
And then they're also working on video to video, which is still in development.
Okay.
But the really impressive thing about Kling AI is the quality of the videos that it produces.
Yeah, and I've seen some of the examples, and it's like really amazing.
Right, and it's not just the visual quality either. It's also the artistic style that it can bring to the table.
Well, like, what's an example of that? What do you mean by artistic style?
So let's say you want to create a video that has like a anime look or a Pixar look.
Okay.
You can actually specify that in the prompts, and Kling AI will try to mimic that style.
So that's cool. So it's not just like generic looking videos. It can actually have some...
Right, it's not just like basic animations. It can
No.
actually create something that looks really professional and stylized.
So I know that one of the big features that they're really pushing is the whole 1080p resolution
Yes, it's a big deal.
with the 2-minute long videos.
Mm.
So how does that compare to other AI video generation tools out there?
Most AI video generators are still stuck in lower resolutions and shorter video lengths.
Right.
So Kling AI is really pushing the boundaries here with this 1080p in 2 minutes, which, may not sound like a lot,
Yeah.
but for AI generated content, it's a huge leap forward.
I'm curious though, like what kinds of things could you realistically create with a 2-minute video?
I mean, you could do like a short explainer video for a product or a service. You could do like a short animated story, or even like a music video with some cool visuals.
And that's all from AI.
Go from AI, yeah.
It's hard to even imagine that, like even a couple years ago.
I know. It's amazing how quickly this technology is evolving.
And I know that another thing they talked about is the realistic motion that it generates.
Yeah.
So how do they make it look so lifelike?
So they have this thing called a 3D spatiotemporal joint attention mechanism.
That's a mouthful.
Yeah, it's a mouthful. But basically what it means is that the AI is not just looking at individual frames.
Okay.
It's actually understanding how things are moving through space over time.
So it's like it can anticipate the next movement.
Exactly. It's like it's learned the physics of motion in a way.
Wow.
So when it creates these animations, they look a lot more natural and fluid.
So it's really like watching something real.
It's getting closer and closer to that, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I also know that Kling AI offers a lot of different aspect ratios.
Yeah, that's a great feature.
What's the benefit of that?
Well, it means that you can create videos that are optimized for different platforms.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to create a video for YouTube, you can use the 16.9 aspect ratio.
Okay.
If you want to create something for TikTok, you can use the 9.16.
So you don't have to go back and edit it and recrop it and stuff.
Exactly. It just makes it super easy to create content for whatever platform you want to use.
Yeah. So we've talked about the features, but how does Kling AI compare to other tools like, let's say, Runway ML?
That's a good question. So Runway ML is also a very powerful AI video generation tool.
Mm-hmm.
But I think Kling AI is really focused on the cinematic quality and flexibility.
Okay.
So it's really appealing to like professionals and serious creators who want to create really high quality videos.
So Runway's maybe a little bit more entry level.
I would say so, yeah. It's a little bit more experimental and a little bit more accessible to beginners.
Okay, so Kling AI is like the professional version.
Yeah, you could say that.
Let's talk about price, because obviously this is a big factor for people.
Of course.
And I know that Kling AI has a few different pricing tiers.
They do.
So what are they?
So they have a free plan, which is pretty amazing.
A free plan.
A free plan, and it even lets you remove the watermark.
Oh, wow.
Which is pretty generous, I think.
That is generous.
So the free plan is great for just trying it out, seeing what it can do.
Yeah.
And then if you want to get more serious, they have the standard plan, the pro plan, and the premier plan.
And so what are the key differences between those paid plans?
So the standard plan gives you more video minutes per month.
Okay.
It gives you higher resolution options, and you also get early access to new features.
Okay.
The pro plan gives you even more minutes.
Mm-hmm.
You get priority support, and you can also work on multiple projects at once.
Okay.
And then the premier plan is like the VIP package.
Okay.
So you get unlimited video minutes, you get a dedicated account manager, the whole 9 yards.
So you really get the full support with that Premiere.
Exactly. If you're a heavy user, that's probably the best value.
Well, it sounds like they have a good variety of options for people with different needs.
Definitely. I think they've done a good job of making it accessible to a wide range of users.
So we've talked about the features, we've talked about the pricing. What has the feedback been like so far?
The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive.
Really?
People are loving it.
That's great.
Yeah, they're raving about how user-friendly it is and how impressed they are with the quality of the videos.
Even for beginners?
Even for beginners, yeah. It's really designed to be easy to use.
That's fantastic.
Okay.
So where do you see Kling AI going from here? Like, what's the future hold?
That's the big question, isn't it? I mean, this technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to completely revolutionize the way we create video content.
I know, it's hard to even imagine like what the implications are going to be.
I mean, think about it. Teachers could use it to create engaging educational videos.
Right.
Small businesses could use it to create professional-looking marketing materials.
It makes it accessible to people who couldn't afford it before.
Exactly. It
Yeah.
can really democratize video creation.
That's exciting.
Yeah, it is. And who knows what other creative applications people will come up with.
Yeah, so it's like this whole new world of possibilities opening up.
Exactly. And I think Kling AI is at the forefront of that.
Well, this has been really interesting. I'm excited to see where this goes.
Me too. It's going to be fascinating to watch this technology develop.
And that's it for our deep dive on Kling AI.
Thanks for joining us.
Make sure to check out their website and try it out for yourself and let us know what you think.
And leave us a comment below. We want to hear your thoughts.
Yeah, we're really curious to see what you all are creating.
All right, until next time.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.